It is also important to tell you that as people of Opobo-Nkoro local government, you have to be very proud of yourselves. You know why? Your son is using the resources of Rivers State to develop the 23 local government. And Ibani's son, a prudent manager of scarce resources, is not wasting it on frivolities. From Tuesday this week, we will start commissioning of programs, projects to mark our 1 year in office. Despite the attempts to distract us so that Nigerians and the world will not see what the governor has done, the governor is a very focused, determined administrator and politician. And I invite Rivers people, Opobo people, tune into your television from Tuesday and see how the governor will make you proud. See what your son is doing for Rivers people. Having said that, I read yesterday that a group called Wike Support Group has flagged off their principal for president. I want to say here that all of us are not with him. We are supporting the president for 2020. The President Bola Ahmed Tinubu must continue. And Rivers people in 2027, we are going to vote him again. Not so. And the same breath, we are going to return the executive governor for second term. Not so. So any one man that is from Rivers State planning to be president in 2027, now me and you they do election, no be so. Now me and you they do election, no be so. Who is the structure? Who is the structure? Now me and you be the structure. And I heard recently one man saying they will frustrate us, they will distract us, they will fight us. My brother, I know the response to that. You push me,
I push you.
You hit me,
I hit you.
You blow me,
I blow you.
You fall for me,
I fall for you.
You fall for me,
I fall for you.
that is the response.
That's so.
You know what in there no be so? We know what in there no be so?
That's so.
Let them try it. I dare them to try to destabilize Rivers State. Then you will see spirits during the day. And when you see spirits, you thank God. Don't be so?
That's so.
Melembe.
The king of you.
Melembe.
Melembe.
What your mama told you, my mama told me.
That's so.
What your mother told you.
If you
So there is no new thing they want to invent. But those of us under the leadership of Sir Amoku Senebo, we are using AI.
Hello.
AI. Artificial intelligence. Watch what will happen. The 23 local governments of Rivers State under this administration will wear what is called organic transformation, organic development across all sectors, not just brick and mortar, health sector, agriculture, education, total transformation. So youth empowerment, you will see our program, and the women empowerment is also there, and the governor has told them that he will give account of every one kobo he has received. Can we have a more prudent governor than that? Today when you go home for reception, sleep well tonight, knowing that you have a son who is making the entire Rivers State and Nigerians proud. Are you hearing me?
Now so.
Finally, let me tell you, the governor has no single fear in him. Did you hear me?
Now so.
He has no single fear, but he's just a man of peace, a man who respects Mr. President. And we are going to continue to respect Mr. President as the father of Nigeria.
Now, so
I bring you greetings from your daughter, the ever loyal Deputy Governor of Rivers State. And I thank you so much for the support. Thank you and God bless you.